check engine light. I just pressed on the accelerator a little bit. Fluctuating. Give it a little gas. It's fluctuating by itself. And put it in drive. Get a clatter noise from underneath the car, and it's still hovering at high RPM. Put it back in park. Foot off the accelerator. Goes back up to 2,000 RPM. Shaking right now. The whole car is shaking. It's running really rough. Still no check engine light. There's nothing pressing the pedal down. Give it a little gas. More fluctuation. Had to pull over. It almost caused me to have an accident. Once again, stranded in another parking lot.